Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you,
Good morning from Cortina. Look at the snow. This is the beautiful view we have woken up to. It's so chilly outside, but I love it. It's so beautiful. It sounds like it's going to be doing this light sort of pretty snow all day, which is fantastic. We're going to take some really cool photos, but first let's go have breakfast.
And you're off my radar now, I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my brain.
So after wandering around town for a bit this morning, I spent a wee while trying to figure out how to get a ski pass, how to get ski gear, how to get a bus, and where I was going. Oh, and a ski lesson. Finally got it all booked. My ski lesson starts in 15 minutes. I'm really excited though. It should be really cool. And I've left Alex at the hotel, and she's going to wander around the town and do her own thing because she doesn't ski. So wish me luck. I hope this goes well.
I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
So it is a lot later now. I had the best time on my ski tour. My ski instructor was called Alex. I'll put his details down below in case by chance any of you are coming to Cortina and need a ski lesson. So good. Like, a private ski lesson is expensive, but I had so much fun, and it was so good having someone guide me because I would have been so lost without it because there were trees everywhere. In New Zealand there are no trees on a mountain when you're skiing, and it was just very disorientating, but great. The weather was a little bit bad for the majority of my lesson, so I didn't really film that much, but I hope you like the shots I got. And Alex and I just spent the rest of this evening like wandering around the town, taking some photos, and we're about to head to dinner. We're literally waiting for the dinner place to open. 6:24, 6 minutes, Alex. But I was just uploading some of the photos that we took today, and we took 347 photos.
In one day.
That's a lot. So another plug, go follow me at Ellen Mackenzie on Instagram for all my cool photos.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. My best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet.
So this morning we woke up in pitch darkness and locked our suitcases through the snow for 20 minutes to get to our bus stop. Then we caught a 4-hour bus ride and we've arrived in Verona. So we are staying in the most beautiful apartment, and I'm so excited to do a little tour of this place. We're going to be here for 2 nights, so not too long, but we decided to treat ourselves and get this really nice Airbnb. Oh, the bells are going off. The bells are going off. Okay, now the bells are finished. This is our cute little balcony with our beautiful little pew. It's so adorable. And then turning around, ta-da! It's an Alex standing in our beautiful apartment. How do you feel, Alex?
It's stunning. Well worth the 4-hour bus ride with no leg room.
Now we have so much leg room. So we've got a little TV over here and a beautiful old writing desk. A great drinks tray, we were just admiring this. We have these beautiful luxurious blue curtains. We've got a nice little lamp here. Everything's all gold and antique-y. Slightly more modern couch though. A beautiful mirror, hi it's me. Another lamp and table, and through here is the bathroom. Has a cute little like in-betweeny kind of room here with a cute table and another mirror. And look how beautiful this is. Another beautiful mirror. And then coming back out here, this is the kitchen area. Got a chandelier, some nice decals there. And this is our little wee kitchen, which is small but will definitely do the job. This was the front entrance. Hey, we have a coat rack, Alex. We can hang up our coats. I didn't notice that. Cute little side table and another mirror. Then coming through here is the bedroom. It's again beautiful, lots of lovely mirrors, cute little table over here, big bed, big trunk, this gorgeous wardrobe here. I think I'm gonna have to take an Instagram photo in here. And there's all our bags and stuff and another TV. I think for now we're just gonna chill out a bit, stretch our legs after being on that bus. And probably go to the supermarket at some point. I don't know what else we have on the agenda, but we will check in soon. So we decided to have a super chill afternoon because we've been so busy on this trip. We just wanted to relax. We were very tired after our big journey this morning. But we did run out to the supermarket and we put together a nice little dinner. We've just got some lovely bread and cheese and meats and wine, and we've set up the laptop to watch some Friends as well. Great night.
I was young and you were broken, but we did the best we could. So many words left unspoken, 'cause we never understood that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say sorry when it's just for the
Hello from Verona. We have had a pretty chill morning just hanging out in our beautiful little Airbnb. Now we're going to do a little bit of wandering and maybe some window shopping. We'll see.
sweet intensity gone, swept away, swept away. I never knew so you did the worst make beside the lake. I'm moving on no matter what. The thing we have will never rust. You and I will stand the test of time for life.
So we have just been chilling at our Airbnb. Not gonna lie, we went to lunch literally right downstairs. I don't know if that's lazy. We've been walking up and down the stairs to our apartment, and every time there's just these beautiful smells wafting from the restaurant down there. So we were like, let's just go to lunch there. And we've just been chilling. I've been editing some photos, and now we are about to go watch the sunset over the city and take some more photos. Good morning! It is a new day here in Verona, and we are about to head to Juliet's balcony and check that out. And then we actually have to leave in a couple of hours and catch the train to Florence. But I thought I would show you quickly what I bought yesterday. We did a cheeky little stop at Sephora, and I didn't actually get that many things. I got a little eye mask for the playing bag. I thought that would be really nice. And the last thing I got were these two cute little Sephora nail polishes. and I was just dying to paint my nails. I put a coat on last night. The other thing I got, it was just a small little shopping spree, but I got this cute scarf. So this is the scarf that I got, and if you are tall like me, you will understand the struggle of trying to find a scarf that is actually long enough for you. And this one is just so massive and fluffy, and I can wrap it around and be all rugged up, and it's still like long. So I'm very excited about that. It was also on sale for only like 14 euro or something. So bargain. After a very long walk to the train station, we made it. We allocated lots of time just in case we couldn't find our platform. If you watched our previous vlog, you'll understand why we're being a bit cautious. Our train has just been called, so we're about to jump on and head to Florence. Make sure you're subscribed for the next vlog. We'll see you there.